Oh, look. Look at this, you guys. Jordan 4s. Jordan 4. Is it University Red? Okay, but look, it's just all buck leather and not tumbled at all. Apparently this is first come, first serve. Yeah, I'd be like, yeah, fuck that, dude. These fools ain't even waiting. That's hilarious. Alright, Shoe Palace, you guys. Alright, so we back in Shoe Palace. What you guys think? 130 for these. 130 for these. And 100 for these. What you guys thinking about? Which one should I go for? That one or that one? Which one? I don't know. I can't figure it out. This one, they might not have enough 10s. They might only have 11s because this is an 11. So I might have to get that one, but that's a tough decision, man. That made that decision easy. They only got these in size 11, so I'm gonna try those bad boys out, see what happens. I'm waiting for them to get my size. Look at this. The Proto Reacts. I just saw this at the Nike outlet for for 200 and those 30% off. Look at that shit, you guys. $50 fucking dollars. MSRP is $150. I looked at the resale. The resales aren't going that good, so it's not even worth it. But still, when they got a full size run up from 9 all the way to 13, that's just fucking insane, dude. That's insane. It's not bad. Not bad. Today. Let's see, it's on sale. Oh, 129. What size is this? Oh shit, this is size 10. One of my boys wants this. I have to call that full up. Got the 13s. Oh, 139. Dang, these. I don't know. These were on sale everywhere, and then they're not on sale no more. So I don't know. That's confused. I'm confused by those. Got the Lakers. These. I'm surprised these haven't gone on sale yet. These I don't know. They were on sale. They're not anymore. Can't wait till those hit the outlets. I'm gonna cop one of those. Okay, got that. Jordan 8s. Jordan 8s. $100. Damn, that's legit. $100. Damn. Damn, man, y'all need to hit this place up, man. They got sales left and right. Mocha's going for retail. Whoa, that's weird. I cannot figure this system out. Okay, so that's about right. These probably on sale. Yeah. 150. Okay. Got the 6s. They go. Oh damn, they go for 100 too. Holy shit, man. Man, y'all need to hit up Shoe Palace ASAP. This is size 11. Y'all need to hit these fools up ASAP with all these sick prices, man. I don't understand those mochas though. That's kind of weird. Y'all here, the Jordan 9. That's the one I'm taking right there. But y'all need to hit up Shoe Palace ASAP with all these sales, man. They got some sick ass shit for really cheap. Really cheap, you guys. I'm gonna go over all these, but they got all kinds of stuff on sale. All kinds. These are the Team Jordan shoes, but man, look, everything on sale. You know what? Fuck it, Lakers color. Let's see, $70. See, but I don't even know what the regular retail is on these. So I don't even know if they're good deals, but I don't know. But they got sales, you guys. Got sales. Yeah, they don't. They're not really hitting for much online, so that's pretty much why they're $50. So yeah, gonna walk away. When you're looking at stuff, you guys gotta look at everything. Look at these Jordan backpacks. They're $100, going for 50. I did look on the eBay. And a lot of these are going for 75, up to $100 a piece. But there's a bunch being sold for $75, so I don't think I'm gonna want to compete with that. So I'm gonna let these go. Got some more Jordan backpacks. This is Jordan 13. Jordan 13 backpack. Looks like the Jordan 13 shoes. The MSRP is a little bit lower, so let me check. You guys need to hit up this one. This is the one out in Torrance. You guys need to hit this shit up. And that's bullshit. That's not camping. That's putting a fucking seat. That's retarded. So guess what happened? Much I've been hitting up all the Shoe Palaces lately. So yeah, Van Nuys location. Let's check out what they got. Dang, the Jordan 11s is sitting. That's crazy. $100. This is size 11, so I guess the smaller size is sold out. These just like that other store, $129. And then these $100, but this is size 11. which means usually they should put the smaller size out. So they probably don't got a size 10, 10 and a half like I want. Satin 5, $1.50. This doesn't look that big, so looks like they got a few sizes. Got the 10. Yeah, fix this for you guys. Got the 10 shadows for $1.30. These are size 9, so they got plenty of sizes. That's crazy. Yeah, I forgot about these, man. They have these here. These are suede too, man. These are nice. These are nice. Holy shit. Jordan 12s, man. I probably would hit on these if. That's a size 8.5. They probably got a full size. They're gonna say I'm gonna have to hit these. I'm gonna have to get these. Jordan 13s, even on sale. The 13 atmosphere grays, $139. That's legit. Oh, checking out the hydros. Dang, they got all the 4s. Look at this. Got all the 4s, man. Dang, all the 4s. Oh wait, that's not a 4. I'm tripping. Dang, so they got both the colorway, the 4s. The white ones hitting for $20. The black ones hitting for $58, going for retail. The 6s, Hydro 6, going for $58. Those are pretty cool. Look at that. It's just like got that infrared hit, just like the infrared 6. They got all the Jordans in women. They got all the little Jordan women section. Oh look at this, you guys. Jordan 4s. Jordan 4. Is it University Red? Okay, but look, it's just all buck leather and not tumbled at all. I haven't seen too many that aren't tumbled. That's just crazy. It looks kind of fake. So tumbled. But look, the best thing, look, it's on sale. $100, man. $100 freaking dollars. That is crazy. The Jordan 1 zip-ups, man. I know these did not move. These did not move at all. What they're hitting for. Oh, I have no clue what they're going for. Okay, this one got it. $50. So I know these did not move. $50. These ain't bad. The snakeskin, pink snakeskins. $130. Not bad. Checking these for me if they got a 10. I'm gonna look for some of these too. Little kid section, look at this. Even the little kid section. Oh, $70 though, man. Yeah, that's crazy. $50? Oh, okay. Little 6s, infrareds, okay. Okay, these are the nostalgias, the 4 nostalgias. It's on sale, right? Oh, $40, okay. The problem is I don't even know what retail on these are. 70, 79, apparently these are all retail, 79. So it's not half the price? That's not bad. That's not bad. Okay. Oh, they even still got, what are these? I thought these were the altitudes. No, $40. $40. Yeah, that's cool. I haven't seen too many places with the kids section that nice. The 98s, the Air Max 98s go for $100. Oh, that's pretty good. They normally take what, $159, $169? Yeah, these are $169. Let's get the 3M. Oh, they all got the 3M up there. Nice. Oh, pretty much all black. These on sale, $100. Hey, that's not bad. $100. Oh, like the Tinker colorway or something. $100. Yeah, man. You guys all sleeping on what's it called on Shoe Palace. This place got outlet prices on some of their stuff. Still got gym reds. Look at this. Wow. Oh, okay. Oh, size 11s. Damn, they still got. These aren't even the huge sizes. Damn, I can't believe they still got gym reds. Damn, man, y'all need to hit up Shoe Palace, man. You guys all sleeping on this place. Yeah, it's got a nice little sale section. Oh, look at this, $50. $50. Look at this. That is legit. Legit, you got $50. Have a Nike day. Look. Air Max 1s. Hitting for 50, man. That's what's up. Hey, look at that. Jordan 1s. Look. $30, man. That's a deal. Getting 2 pairs of the Hydro 4s. It's the red and the red and white colors. So getting the other one, gonna pay for these and smash out.
No, just